How to disable disappearing messages on WhatsApp in just a few taps. Let's jump right in. First, open your WhatsApp app on your smartphone. Here, tap on the chat where disappearing messages are currently enabled. At the top of the chat, tap onto the contact name or group name to open the chat information screen. Now scroll down and tap on disappearing messages. Here, select Off to disable disappearing messages for the chat. And that's it. From now on, messages in this chat will no longer automatically disappear. In group chats, only admin can disable this feature. Want to turn it off by default for new chat? Then go to the setting Privacy and tap on Default Message Timer and select Off. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more WhatsApp guides. Drop any questions in the comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.